So hello my people, welcome to my channel. They are your bet predict. So in today's video, I only want to show you guys a new strategy on a new sport. Most of us are only familiar with football, basketball, tennis, and sometimes hockey and cricket. But in today's video, I have just a special strategy for you guys that has a very high accuracy of winning. And actually, if you guys look very closely to this particular my account, to this account, this is a dollar account, and this is the account that I use for predicting my games when it comes to using 1xbet. And one thing about this account is that immediately I see that I win some games, like I have some games won. What I always do is that I withdraw my money and I start staking with more money back, because when you stay too much on this particular app and you are too tempted with the strategy, you will feel like staking more and more on the games, and eventually before you know it, the period that you are going to lose your game, you are going to lose everything. In betting, I always tell everybody that you cannot always be winning every time. So there are times that you will lose your game, and when you lose, if it happens to be someone that doesn't know how to budget, really budget, you can lost all the money that you've won. So this is what I've been doing on 1xbet. As you guys can see, I'm sure some people will be saying 25, 26. What does it mean? 28, 23. What does it mean? 31, 26. So these are just handball over points. In football, it's not easy to score goals. When it comes to football, but when it comes to handball, it's just like football rules. But goals are very easy when it comes to hand. Using your hand to throw the ball inside the net. Accuracy will be there. And one thing about this thing is that I don't predict straight winning. I've tested the strategy and I realized that predicting straight winning in handball is not something that is very easy. And if you check this game very well, I use dollar accounts. That's my 1xbet dollar account, and it's working out so well. 1xbet always offer very small odds and favorable odds that would be will allow you guys to navigate around the market. And sometimes I use short on target, and I've posted a video about that. But this is to inform you that in case you're interested in having some in-depth knowledge, on how you guys too can be making use of dollar accounts to win your bets often, you can check in the video description and get across to me, and I'm going to put you guys through the process of how you can do that. Don't forget I told you guys that the game can also lost. See, this particular odd is just too odd. And seeing the prediction and seeing the outcome, that's just the beauty of the game. Handball is very easy to predict and it's very easy to win. But one thing that can implicate individuals in handball is that budgeting, the amount that you use in playing. Because when you are winning, there'll be a day that you are going to lose, and the winning can tempt you into using big monies on the losing day. So be careful of how you make use of your money, like when you are staking accurate strategy. And that is the purpose of the points I'm trying to make to you guys. So this message is for those people that have already learned these particular strategies. For me, please don't let the strategy tempt you into be using your whole life investment, because there are some games, as you guys are seeing winning, because if you see everything from this place, you are going to see that it is green. And checking this place, you can see, okay, this is a live game. This game is currently live. So if you can see, if you check this is red and this is red. So don't be deceived by the winning alone. So I do lost my games too. I do lost, because if you check this particular ticket, the ticket is supposed to be won. Handball is very easy, to be sincere, it's very easy. So the strategy is what I'm just trying to just inform you guys that, because it will only be available in our masterclass tutorial group. And I would like you guys, in case you are interested, to join us. And if you check the video description, you are going to see our contact details on how you can access it. Now if you check this game very well, you're going to see that accuracy is there. Predicting for over 48, and you are seeing the outcome as 58, extra 10 points. Predicting the game as 46, that's sometimes I said by Handball sometimes can shock you at any time, but the accuracy is always there. So we predicted the game as over 46 and ended up in 47, and this is what actually caught the ticket. Only this thing in particular caught the ticket. I predicted the game as over 50, and the game ended up exactly 50. So that's the first time I'll be losing my handball prediction. So guys, in case you're interested, don't forget to like our video, share, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed before, and check the video description. You are going to see our social media handles there. So we have other strategies like handicap, so many. So thanks for watching, guys. Watch out for the next video on straight winning tutorial betting strategy. Bye.